Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding text in Filmora. It's super easy, and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, open up Filmora and import your video clip. Once you've got that ready, look for the Titles section in the toolbar. You'll find it nestled between Media and Audio. Click on Titles, and you'll discover a variety of options such as openers, titles, lower thirds, subtitles, and credits. These are different styles to spice up your video with text. For this demonstration, I'll go with one of the title presets. Just click on the one you like. In this case, let's go with this stylish option here. After selecting your preferred style, double-click on the title to open the customization menu. Here, you can enter your desired text. For this example, I'll use Test 123. Hit OK, and voila! Your text is now added with a cool animation. If you play the video, it will look something like this. Remember, there are various templates to choose from, so pick the one that suits your video vibe the best. Adding text has never been this simple. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Your support means a lot. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have an awesome day.